The cleanup continues.
And as that cleanup continues from this week's storms, there is something else you might want to take inventory of. Your vehicle.
Yes, Dominique is live to get some tips on what you can do to keep your car protected during the monsoon as well. All that dust blowing around, Dominique. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, so important, right? We've seen the videos. A lot of people, unfortunately, driving through that or maybe pulling off to wait until the storm blows over. But while everything is blowing over, it can do some damage to your car. So what to do this time of the year, how to protect your vehicle. We have the tips for you. We're hanging out at Martin's Auto Repair this morning. I have owner Dave Martin here. He has laid out all the things. Nothing that looks familiar to me, but I'm about to learn from you, Dave, because I'm not a car girl. This time of the year with monsoon, where do we start? What are we checking when it comes to these dust storms?
Well, thank you for having me.
Yes.
And you know, the most important thing, I'm going to start out by saying the most important thing is that you bring your vehicle in to a shop that can look over the whole vehicle. When you get your oil changed, we do a 60-point digital inspection. We'll send you pictures, we'll send you all of the vital signs of your vehicle so you can make a well-informed decision. And so when you get into those situations, it's not as bad. Yeah. And we talk about these dust storms that have been really bad. And one of the things that's really important is this is a cabin air filter. Mm-hmm. This is what filters the air going into your face, inside the car. And as you can see over here, there's a bunch of fine dust in there. And so we know with these dust storms, that's what we get, a bunch of fine dust, right? So we want to make sure that if you end up getting into one of those things, turn your air conditioning on recirc. So basically you're not sucking any outside air, you're just sucking the inside air in the cab and recirculating it. Yeah. That's number one. But number two, get into a shop, have them check that filter. And have them check, this is the air filter. This is what actually filters the air going into your engine. So you want to make sure that also, there's nothing you can do about it in the middle of a dust storm. You can't change to recirc or anything. So get it into a shop, have it looked at. If it needs to be replaced, get it replaced, because it's going to definitely kill the life of the filter, because there's going to be a bunch of dirt in it.
How quickly are you supposed to, or how often are you supposed to change your filter? Is there a certain time frame?
We check it. Like all these cars have synthetic oil changing, synthetic oil in them. So every 5 to 7,500 miles, get your car in for an oil change, and we check that stuff every time. But if you get yourself in extreme weather condition, get it in sooner. Just get it looked over. Yeah. And we're happy to do it. We're happy to lift the hood. We're happy to check those filters for you. We want to make sure that you don't suck any dirt into the engine. And this is what a clean filter looks like.
Okay, so that's what we should be aiming for. Let's move on to here, windshield wipers, right?
Yes, windshield wipers. This is never good. Because when you get that rain with that dust, we know what, it throws dirt on there and then it sticks to your window. Well, I always tell all my clients that if you want to check it yourself, all you need to do is just grab the edge of it here and pull on it. If it rips like this one does,
it's time to go in.
Time to get it replaced, because it's getting crispy. Yeah. And at the end of the summer, usually this time of the year,
This is how it should look.
This is how it should look. Yeah,
absolutely. Nice and sturdy, not going anywhere.
Right, and it's this is an old school wiper. This is a newer style wiper, and this is bad too. The part of it has been ripped off already.
Dave, we're running out of time. Okay. One last thing, 30 seconds you would like people to know when it comes to their cars.
Important thing is tires. Okay. This is a bald tire. You can take a penny, and all you need to do is stick the head upside down. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, tire's worn out.
All right, top of Lincoln's head, easy to remember. All great tips. If you have any car issues, come see Dave, the rest of the team. They are great, but yeah, important to make sure your car is doing all right as well. That's important, how we get to point A to point B, guys. I'll send it back to you.
So true. A clean car is a happy car.
Yeah, and now I'm like, when was the last time I changed my air filter?